皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル、資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
U.S. approves delivery drones over populated areas. By VOA News. December 28, 2020, 5:10 p.m. File an Amazon delivery drone is displayed on a screen during a video presentation at an Amazon conference on robotics and artificial intelligence in Las Vegas, Nevada, June 5, 2019. In the not-so-distant future, America's evening skies could be filled with the buzzing sounds of delivery drones. On Monday, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, approved the use of delivery drones over populated areas at night. Many see the move as the next step to widespread adoption of drone deliveries. The new rules make way for the further integration of drones into our airspace by addressing safety and security concerns, FAA Administrator Steve Dixon said in a statement. They get us closer to the day when we will more routinely see drone operations, such as the delivery of packages. Delivery companies like UPS and Amazon have been investing in the technology for years. Both companies have seen surging profits during the coronavirus pandemic as more Americans turn to home delivery for many items, including groceries. Alphabet's Wing is also investing in drone technology. The FAA said the new regulations provide an essential building block towards safely allowing more complex drone operations. According to the new FAA rules, drones of more than a certain weight must have remote identification capabilities and be equipped with anti-collision lights. The FAA also said the drones cannot have any exposed rotating parts that could potentially injure a person. In some cases, the drones can be operated above moving vehicles depending on the level of risk. The new rules will become effective 60 days after they are published in the Federal Register next month. Despite the new regulations, Bloomberg reports it will still be years before delivery drones are widely used.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。